further where? Alright, go for it.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Right up there. See the left edge or something?
Oh, right here in front of us?
Yeah, that.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. You can see it in the video. It's cutting from like right here.
The big waves up there?
Might be. You can see it right here.
Yeah. See the left edge or
Yeah.
something up there. Pull off because
Vaguely, I mean, you can barely see a left edge. A little bit darker right out here.
we're going to wait this out. There's maybe a tornado that crossed right ahead of us. With the damn rain wrap, I don't want to run into it. It's getting out. The rotation's really wrapping up over the highway going east. But once it kind of clears the highway, we'll go back east again.